To enhance the color of a photograph, hit Command U on your keyboard, and here you'll find hue, saturation, and lightness sliders. To enhance the color, just simply turn the saturation slider up until you're happy with the results, and you'll see the colors getting more vibrant. However, if you turn the saturation up too much, photograph will look very unnatural, and probably don't want that. To desaturate a photograph, make it look like an old-time black and white photo, just simply take the saturation slider and move it down, and you'll see the colors fading. And if you turn it all the way down, you'll eliminate the color. And then once you're happy with the results, simply hit OK, and then save your picture. And that's all there is to that. Thank you.